I want my entrepreneurs to immediately make money. If my entrepreneurs are not making immediate money, that means something is wrong with the program. So my name is Sumit and I'm from IIEC. And I think that if you are learning any program today, you might have taken so many online courses. One problem with only online courses are they are theoretical knowledge. And if you have to apply them, you are basically stuck in two things. One is the support, and second is how you will apply that practically. And that's where you're completely stuck. I have seen many online courses. I myself enrolled in many online courses just to see that how they train, what they train. Most of these are sales pitches. They do the webinar, they give you that big dream selling and all, but I don't see any closure happening with whoever has bought that program. And their life transformation is just a testimonial, which by seeing the testimonial, people buy that programs. But here, I don't want to sell you any course or any program. I have this ready-made plug and play ready-made business opportunity that I'm myself doing. And what I am doing, I'm also investing in potential startups. So let's understand that how we can get started with the business of products that are made in India, manufactured in India, and India is the best in that, and nobody can replace India. And those products we can export from India to the global market. One product that comes in mind is our Indian sarees. Yes, Indian sarees can be sold in India also. That can be sold in anywhere where Indian diaspora is there, or not just that. Nowadays, a lot of foreigners are attracted to Indian ethnic wear, and saris make a big difference in that. Not just about wearing, but the saris can also be used as interior and decorative uses. I was in France and Paris, and I was seeing that in one of the hotels, where the entire interior of that restaurant in that hotel was of Indian Rajasthani traditional that kind of design. So I was like intrigued to see that what is making them to do this. So not just saris are used to wear, but it is also used for interior designing today. In many places, many applications are there which we do not know. So today in this interesting video, I'll be showing you the exact process that I have been using to export Indian crafts and products, especially the handcrafted products. And saris can be one big market for you to do. I'll show you how in marketplaces like Amazon people are selling, in Etsy people are selling, and how many sales are happening in foreign countries. And you do not have to invest money in buying or sourcing or holding any inventory. I'll give you the plug and play business. Just get started with this. It's a very easy, simple to do business. Even if you're a working professional, you don't have time, this can actually help you to get that financial freedom that you wanted, which your job is not able to provide you. And this can be a full-time business. Once you get started in this, you will learn the skills and you will be unstoppable force in this e-commerce business. So stay with me till end of this video. I'll be guiding you how you can do it. Before going ahead, this is my profile. My name is Sumit and I have been the chairman of Indian Institute of E-Commerce. This is a Ministry of Education public-private partnership, and this is a Section 8 licensed non-profit organization. Previously, I worked with Amazon and Alibaba as their global partner and director for their ATES EGTP programs. I have worked with top 2 companies and top 2 designations. And before that, I was also working at WTO, that is World Trade Organization, that is in Switzerland, as their jury at the public forum. Not only that, I have worked with many other organizations. I have invested in 136 plus startups till now. And with all my experience and expertise, you will be able to learn everything practically in this current video that I'm recording. So now let's explore what is this plug and play e-commerce startup business that I'm giving you. So saris, langas, salwar suits, whatever you are seeing, we think that this is only in India, but these products can directly be sold online and can be sold in quantities. You can also sell online through your own e-commerce store. I'll give you the store builder, which you can have your own name. You can directly collect payment from your customers, and you can also add up to 10 staff members in this. So this will be a ready-made store builder. I'm already making good amount of sales, so don't worry. I'm just teaching you what I'm doing, and exactly same process you can copy paste in what I'm showing you right now. And these are the products which I have. These are my products, but I'll be teaching you how to find suppliers and how you can add your own products. And you'll also get design of different themes. You can change the design. You can make a beautiful website. Non-technical, it's very easy. And there are so many softwares and tools for search engine optimization, social media marketing, and paid advertisement, which is included in this. So you can make use of this complete plug and play business opportunity. And now let's explore the product itself. Assuming that this is a kurti and there are 1900 reviews, there are 10,000 reviews. That means 10,000 people definitely have bought. And at what price they're selling? $35. Just make a simple calculation. $35 into, if this many people have bought, let's assume that all of them who have given the review, all of them have bought. So 10,000 into 34 is how much? It's almost like $3.5 lakh, which is approximately 2.7 crore rupees. Worth of sales somebody has done selling these products online. Same if you see saris, 1,000 reviews and 50 bought last month, 50 bought last month. Even if you're just listing some 100 different type of saris in an e-commerce marketplace, you can keep getting more and more sales. And that's just about Amazon. And now I'm showing you some interesting fact about Etsy.com. Here also you can see Indian sarees have been listed and there are sales of these products. 2.2 thousand, 4.6 star review, $63. Just think for this lehenga. Same way, 1200 reviews of 4.5 star at $57.60. So what you're seeing is a highly profitable margin business. $70, $275, and 396 5-star rating. So what you see in Etsy, this is also a global marketplace, $1 billion company. Amazon is also a global marketplace, $1 billion company. Lazada is a Singapore-based startup, and this is also having sales. Just think Lazada is a Singapore-based site. Singapore-based site, and again, not India. And you can see the currency is also different, and 147 sold. Just see the numbers, 412 sold, 699. So that means people are buying, right? It's very simple. If people are buying, you should be knowing the fact that there are so many communities of Indian people who are staying in these countries for a very long time. For generations, they are staying. There are countries where people are now accepting to buy these Indian traditional clothes just for normal general wear, also for ethnic wear, for functions and all. So they keep buying. So there is a need in this. And this is another site. This is noon.com. This is site of Dubai. And what you see here in Dubai also, a big population is there. Middle East countries can be a great market. So I'm saying you that there are many Indian products which are ethnic products like salwar suits and lehengas, not just saris. Every single thing can be directly, we can export. These are ethnic products and they have got a great demand in the global market. You already know that people nowadays, when they get married, they get these lehengas, and the cost of lehengas I heard about, like it starts at about ₹1 lakh and can go up to some crores of rupees. So what is there in this? It's a market which you should not lose into. You should not be thinking like, oh, what should I be doing in my life? You have plenty of opportunities. You just need the right mentor and guide who can give you that direction where you can get started with the business and scale that business to make great amount of money that can give you the financial freedom that you always wanted. And e-commerce business, export of products from India, making money in dollar, whether you sell one piece or you sell 100,000 piece, 1 lakh piece, I mean, you can make great amount of profits because the profit margins in foreign countries always higher. You can directly ship it from your simple India Post and other logistic partners. I'll give you the contacts of the logistic companies also. I'll give you the entire training and support so that this business, whatever I'm showing you, this plug and play ready-made business opportunity, you can simply start. Like this is one of the websites that we have built, right? And these are the products. How is this website? It's a simple and easy to build website. You can do it by yourself. It's very, very easy to make. So this is built by our own e-commerce store builder. So this store builder that I'm showing you, I'll be giving you this. I'm myself making sales. You can also make sales, and you can make not just sales also, you can also, create a lot of marketing contents in this, like loyalty programs and free shipping, so that more and more people can get engaged with you. So you can just make all these campaigns and make it ready. And all these things like marketing strategies, everything is included in this entire package. Now, let us explore the best of this, the mentorship program. What I'm giving you, this all-in-one program, certified e-commerce professional. This is the bundle of 17 certificates and every single thing that is required to build a successful online business, e-commerce business, export business that is requiring digital marketing or search engine optimization or content creation. Everything is included in this one single program. So you can do so much of e-commerce product sales. Now you are also getting the certifications. I want you to learn this practically, exact process, what is required to build an e-commerce store, how to do sales without you buying any inventory. I'll give you the contact of suppliers who are manufacturing these things. Just list those products into your e-commerce store and start generating sales. Very, very simple process I'll give you. I already have suppliers contact. I'll give you that also. I'll also teach you how to get suppliers contact. Contact them also, start listing their products and start selling them. How much time it will take? Hardly 2 to 3 months, nothing more than that. It's very, very easy. Immediately you can start making money also if you're able to crack one good deal. That one buyer from the foreign country will keep buying from you. So the training methodology is very simple. I'm giving you lifetime of access, lifetime of update, lifetime of support. Most important thing is what? You need support. For support, you're joining me. Online recorded course anyone can give you. On YouTube, many videos are there. But what I'm giving you is something which is precious. It's an all-in-one package. I'm giving you certifications, I'm giving you the recorded sessions, plus also live training and support, and plus I'm also giving you the store builder and database of buying houses who can be your potential buyers in future. So everything included in the single program. And apart from that, I'm also giving you bonus, that is the studies, software tools, and ebooks, white papers, case studies as part of the package. If you look at IIEC, IIEC I started way back in 2015. It's a central government backed Section 8 licensed non-profit public-private partnership. The objective is not to actually charge you some 50, 60 lakh rupees for such a business model, because it's not a course, as I told you, it's a complete business opportunity. So if someone else is giving you such business opportunity, they will be charging you money, but I'm not sure whether you'll be successful or not. Here, what we are doing, because we are working along with you, you are working on the entire e-commerce store development, management, marketing. So we are giving you this at very, very low cost. That is just the cost to cost only. Mentorship is fully included in this from end to end that I have shown you. Everything is there in this. So whatever is written here, you're getting the store builder, you'll be learning the marketing strategies, and you'll be able to make sales. See, one opportunity is with you right now. You can continue with your job, continue with the business, continue with whatever you're doing in your life. But having your own startup, an e-commerce startup, where the transaction size can be like a few crore rupees, this will give you the freedom that you wanted in life. And your investment is just like a small amount that you're putting in something where instead of getting 10%, 15% returns, you are going to make at least 20, 30x returns. That means you're investing a small amount of money to make sure that this business becomes a few crore rupees of business. You will be able to do it. I'm giving you this entire training and support end to end so that you can build it. It's easy to do. The only problem here right now, what I see, people do not know the skills. People don't know, and that's why they're scared and they fear that how can I do it? Just get some clothes and start listing in Amazon. You will get sales. Start listing some product in your own e-commerce store and start putting them in social media channels. You'll get sales. People are doing. So many people are doing. You don't see so many aunties who just listed the list of products in WhatsApp and in WhatsApp status. When you see the big list of all the status that is full of clothes. So there are homemakers who are doing it. So why not you can do it? You just require this training and this mindset that I'll be giving you. And once you have that confidence, you will be definitely be successful. You will be unstoppable in building a successful e-commerce business. And I'm not giving you everything from scratch. I'm giving you everything in a platter that is plug and play ready made. So the database of buyers also I'm giving you, just contact the buying houses and close sales. That is the easiest way someone can start business today. And this is the opportunity I'm talking about. So don't miss out in such a great business idea that can be that opportunity that you always wanted in your life. So join us today and I'll be seeing you in the program. And so join us today and I want to see you in my program.